Local leaders, including the heads of recovery groups from Elk and Medical Lake, say lives are on hold until a decision comes down on that federal funding. More than 5 months after 2 wildfires devastated Elk and Medical Lake, much of the recovery is at a standstill.
They're waiting. Those that have lost their homes and others that want to help meet the need, everything's on hold.
Just days after pressing President Biden for a decision on a federal emergency declaration, which would open up FEMA funding and help, Congresswoman Kathy McMorris Rodgers heard from those still caught in the middle, like Kay Peterson.
It's the indecision of not having the resources when we've got an immediate need.
Peterson's home at the Silver Lake Bible Camp was destroyed. Like many others, she's delayed by building permit backlog. Many homeowners are still held up by asbestos testing and debris cleanup.
We never heard of that before. And so the edict came down that you will not touch any cleanup activity until asbestos has been identified or tested and then the proper mitigation.
Medical Lake Mayor Terry Cooper says testing costs around $3,500 and can run tens of thousands of dollars to clean up.
So we had to do the same thing, get all of our asbestos testing squared away. We've got one person who's actually living at the camp in an RV right now. To my knowledge, she still hasn't gotten the results back yet.
Those costs and other surprises like replacing burned wells and septic systems have already eaten up insurance for many people.
We need to start thinking about wildfires the same way we think about tornadoes and hurricanes, that the government comes in and does the public safety cleanup because it's all hazardous waste.
Washington's Director of Emergency Management says Governor Jay Inslee is stretching $5 million in state assistance to help those who are uninsured.
Essentially, he drained his entire emergency assistance fund for the year.
But it's still not enough for many people, still unsure what, if any, other help may be coming. And those 366 homes lost in the Gray and Oregon Road fires mark the most primary residences lost in Washington history. Shannon Mowdy, KREM 2 News.
Shannon, thank you.